And the race is on. Emergency call from the outside. Bring it on, Senor Vicente. Running by the rail. Moving up is Echage to grab the lead. Echage, bring it on, Senor Vicente. Solar Power racing forward by the rail. Emergency call. Flying Hope. Moving up is Sugar Free, and Asikuda is running at the tail of the field by about 6 or 7 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader, Echage by some 3 lengths. Senor Vicente is now running in second. Bring it on. Moving up, Sugar Free alongside is Flying Hope. Emergency call, Solar Power, and Asikuda as they race towards the far turn. Echage by some 2 lengths. Senor Vicente, Sugar Free rushing up. Flying Hope, bring it on. Asikuda, Emergency call, and Solar Power as the action swing towards the long nice stretch run. Bunch of horses fighting it up for the lead. Sugar Free is now the leader. Asikuda, Senor Vicente, Emergency call, Danori inside and nearing the finish line. Sugar Free, number 7 this time by some 4 lengths, and finally Sugar Free. Second, Asikuda, Senor Vicente, Emergency call, Flying Hope for your Fantafecta.
Parang bigla ako sumaya, parang